You guys, you would not believe this. Femi Falana and Nyesom Wike, the former Rivers State governor and now FCT minister, are at each other's necks. In fact, just yesterday or about 2 days ago, Nyesom Wike referred to Femi Falana as a lawyer who is turning the constitution and the law upside down for his own personal benefits. And now Femi Falana is responding to that comment. Before we delve right into the details and, get to hear what Femi Falana has to say, if you have not subscribed to this channel, this is your first time here, please go ahead and subscribe. Hit the like button down below. It's free of charge. Also give this video a massive thumbs up. That way we are encouraged to put out more reliable and authentic news. And also YouTube is able to recommend this video to other YouTube viewers all around the world. Lastly, please leave your opinions in the comments section below. Senior Advocate of Nigeria and human rights lawyer Femi Falana has refuted claims by the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, FCT, Nyesom Wike, accusing him of lying against the Supreme Court of Nigeria over the defection of lawmakers in Rivers State. In a statement issued on Sunday, Falana described Wike's allegations as spurious and tendacious, insisting that his recent comments about the Apex Court were rooted in law and facts. The role stems from Wike's criticism of Falana during a recent press conference in Abuja, where the minister reportedly accused the legal luminary of lying on national television regarding the Supreme Court's ruling on the defection of 27 members of the Rivers State House of Assembly from the People's Democratic Party, PDP, to the All Progressive Congress, APC. Responding, Femi Falana dismissed the claim, stating, "I did not lie against the Supreme Court in respect of a judgment in question. All I said was that the matter of the defection of the 27 legislators was raised su motu and determined by the eminent justices of the Apex Court." He further clarified that the issue of the lawmakers' defection was already pending before the Federal High Court in Port Harcourt, and that there is documentary and video evidence, including sworn affidavits, wherein the legislators themselves confirmed their defection. Falana also addressed Wike's earlier jibe, in which he dismissed him as a television lawyer who lost a case before the Supreme Court. The senior advocate responded that losing a case does not equate to professional misconduct, and only a corrupt lawyer wins every case. Mr. Wike is the only live bencher in Nigeria who has never handled a case in any trial or appellate court. Wow, ouch, that hurts. Moving on, Falana said, adding that he refrained from responding previously out of respect. The human rights lawyer maintained that his right to critique judicial decisions is enshrined in Section 39 of the Nigerian Constitution and Article 9 of the African Charter on human and people's rights. Unlike Mr. Wike, who calls judges names whenever they disagree with his politics of opportunism, I have always criticized the judgment of domestic and regional courts with utmost decorum and in good faith, Falana said. He emphasized that the Supreme Court itself has a tradition of welcoming constructive criticism, citing Adegoke Motors Limited versus Adesanya. Falana reminded Wike of Justice Oputa's iconic declaration, "We are final, not because we are infallible. We are infallible because we are final." He also recalled comments by former Chief Justice of Nigeria, Justice Ibrahim Tanko Mohammed, who encouraged lawyers to point out judicial missteps to strengthen the justice system. Dismissing the motion that critiquing court judgments amounts to professional misconduct, Falana dared Wike to report him to the Legal Practitioners Disciplinary Committee if he believes any ethical boundaries were crossed. In its closing remarks, Falana cautioned against politicizing judicial discourse and warned that the Supreme Court's recent pronouncement on defection requires party registers as proof, could be exploited by unpatriotic politicians to legitimize political prostitution. It is high time Mr. Wike was prevented from further parading himself as the unsolicited defender of the Nigerian judiciary, he concluded. Wahoo. What a wahoo. And I think that, one of the things that is quite concerning to me is the fact that if actually, let me first of all start like this. Actually, there have been allegations. A lot of people in some quarters have said that, oh, Wike is buying judgment. Wike has, bought the judges. They are in his pocket because he's always, gifting them properties, buildings. He's always gifting them cars and all of that. He's always seen in public. Not be me talk camo. It's you people that said it. You people said it yourself. So I'm not the one. I'm just reporting what has been said. So a lot of times people say that, oh, Wike, and Wike have said, I did not do it, Abi. Did you see him giving those people money? Although we've caught him one or two times, in parties with justice, especially the Supreme Court judge who pronounced that very controversial River State judgment concerning the local government election and the 27 lawmakers who are defected. Because now they're saying that they did not defect, they are still in PDP. The judge was seen with Wike, where Wike was given an honorary, PhD or honorary degree. He was given an honorary degree at Unical, and the judge was sitting right next to Wike, and a lot of people questioned the fact that how. Concerning what I was saying before, despite that, Wike has been, questioned and, he has been said to have bribed the judges. I do not understand why Wike in every situation is defending the judges. Why are you so much interested in defending them? Now, if he did not bribe them, if he did not give them money, if they are not influenced by anything that he has gifted them with, why are you so much interested in defending them? If actually it is the constitution, it is the laws of Nigeria that those people are upholding, Abi. So which means that their judgment is coming from a place of, we are doing the right thing. But why do you see the need to always defend the judges? Which is exactly what Falana is telling him. Like, why are you making yourself an advocate for the judges? Why are you advocating for them? Because I do not think that they actually need any advocacy or solicitor. If actually they are following the constitution and they are doing the right thing and their judgment is in order, I do not think they need a solicitor. Anyway, guys, let's have your thoughts and opinions in the comments section. But before we go, let's take a look at some of the reactions we got online. The first comment is from Sunday Funny, who says, is Wike a River State lawmaker for defending the lawmakers? Yeah, people says, confused learned gentleman. Kabiru Usman, Femi Falana, you are correct. Wike is just an opportunistic man. Cletus Amandi says, you surprised me. Please, if you don't know, ask questions. Don't say what you don't know. Amos Solushola says, does that make you a good and honest lawyer because you have been handling cases in court? I think Falana said that he threw a shot at Wike when he said that Wike has never handled a case in court before. He has never, not to talk of winning, because Wike told him that he lost a case in Supreme Court, but you are always a television lawyer. You always come to television to solicit and defend cases, but you lose cases. Udo says, the criteria for giving one a son is uncleared. This man Falana has never won any good case before, apart from criticizing government, even when that government is doing the right thing. You all, I'm throwing this to you. Let me know what you all think in the comment section below. What do you think? Who do you think is right in this situation here? Thank you very much, you all, for always listening and watching, guys. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye for now.